Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training. Today we're going to look at how we want to create electrical circuits for a standard emergency lighting. Okay, so we're going to create a modified circuit that we've been playing around with. So again, I've got this model from one of my old project. I think this is Accent from 19, oh wow, it's probably 10 years old or well, almost. So anyway, what we want to do here, we want to go into the upper left hand corner here of this building. And I want to select this light fixture right here. So as I select that, you see the voltage and the room that it's in. So here, then I want to select here power, and then it'll pull down on and drag this down to that LP2 panel. These are the panel lists. So I'm going to select that panel. And there's the circuit going back to that panel or wherever. And then we want to go here and click on Edit Circuit. Okay, so we'll select Edit Circuit, and then we'll just simply pick up these other two lights. I'm going to add this one and this one. And then I'm going to say, okay, I'm going to finish that here. I want to add that one too. No, cancel that. I want to just go here, these two, and I want to finish. Okay, now I'm finished, and so what I want to do, I want to go look at our system browser. Now, normally it's over here, or you go under the View tab here, and then you can pull it down here, and there's our system browser, but the easiest way I found to do is just push F9. So if I select F9 here, and then I'll drag this over, this is our systems, and this is broken up into different disciplines and what have you. And then we're going to go here and select electrical. So these are electrical components or systems. And then here, we want to select this for electrical, expand this, and we're going to expand the power. Follow along here. And then if we look at LPT2 here, we want to select that one. We want to expand it, no? And I want to expand this, the circuit. So if I expand that, and if I go in here, I'll actually see. Let me move this over a little bit. So you can actually see the fixtures here. So I'm going to select, okay, we didn't add the emergency lighting, so I'm going to go back here, here. And I want to go back to my modified tab. Systems tab here. And I'll select this one. And I'm messing up a little bit, sorry guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back here. And I want to add this one to the circuit. I want to edit this circuit. I want to add the emergency lighting as well. And I'm going to say okay. And then we finish. So now I go back into the system browser by pushing F9 if you like, or you can go find it in the views cubes, but F9 is faster, so push F9. And there's our lighting. And there we picked up our emergency lighting. So that's how you would edit or add another lights component to this system or the circuit. Okay, so if I select the circuit here, you see it lights up in the view. So these are the individual circuits here. Pretty straightforward. Okay, now here we've got our systems all set up and ready to go. We got our lights. So that's basically what happens. So if I select that one, and then there's our full circuit. So if I select one, it'll generate the circuit for you. So that's basically how you do it, how you do this, guys. So anyway, you can go in here and you can add circuits and you can manipulate them and modify them. Okay, so now we can also see these in our panel that we looked at before. So I'm going to go back to view. I think I can find it here. Schedules. Go to system here. So basically, but yeah, this is basically what was asked and what wants to be done for this. This is basically our system browser, and then again we can set up schedules and select our circuits here. So like I said, this is circuit 1, and there's the circuit as you can see, and there's each device. There's that fixture, and here's actually the emergency lighting fixture, which is shown here. So hey guys, I just wanted to run you through this brief exercise of how you create and modify circuits. So we're going to look at electrical for a minute here. Very important to know how to do circuits in Revit MEP. So again guys, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps you make videos like this all the time. And then, you know, here, like I want to look at LP2. We don't have nothing going on there, and as you can see, it's highlighted. So there's LP2 highlighted, and there's our LP1. We use the LP2 in that AR. So basically, this is our system browser, and this is how you operate and manipulate it. Okay, so this is for MEP, electrical, how to create systems and circuits. But this is and again, another way to find this, if you don't find this right away, I mean, it's simply push F9, but you can go here to View Tablet, and go to User Interface, and there it is right there, System Browser, and you click that, and there's a System Browser for this project. So, alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, it helps me make video, and support this channel any way you can. Again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Be safe, y'all. Bye.